welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Cook and Scoop. Today we're going to bake a cake, but a very, very special one, because we're going to bake a cake with halloumi cheese. I know that when I said cake, everybody thought of a sweet one, but no, today we're going to make a cake with cheese, and a very special one, a halloumi cheese. There is actually no special occasion. I just feel like having this cake, so I'm going to be baking this cake for myself. For once, it's only for me. The recipe of halloumi cake was given to me by one of my dear friends from Northern Cyprus, Narden. She actually taught me how to do it as well, and from that moment on, I started baking it very, very often. We don't have that many ingredients, and most of them you can find at home, except for the halloumi cheese. I'll be giving you the list of the ingredients right now, immediately after. I will also put the list of the ingredients and how to bake this cake down in the description part. You can always go there. I also have other information about my YouTube channel, my Instagram. Feel free to let me know about your opinion by putting your comments in the comments section down below, so that I know how you made it. If you have any questions, I would really appreciate that. This cake has a very special taste and smell as well, because we're going to be using some dry mint. Dry mint gives the cake a wonderful, refreshing smell and taste. So I personally love it. I hope you like it too. Are you ready to bake this wonderful cake? Let's do it. I will first get my cheese ready and put it aside and continue with the rest. I will be grating my halloumi cheese by using the big teeth of the grater. I grated my halloumi, as you can see, and now I'm going to mix it with a little bit of dry mint. I love mint, the smell and the taste, so I will be using a very generous tablespoon of mint. I put the mint, and all I do is mix it so that you have mint all over your halloumi. The halloumi cheese is ready. I'm just going to put this aside to use later on. I have three eggs here that I'm going to be whisking really, really well until they are white and bubbly. Now I'm going to be adding the oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use another vegetable oil if you like. And then the milk. Just mix it a little bit. Okay, I'm not going to be using my mixer anymore because I really don't need that much of power. I'm just going to add my halloumi cheese that I covered with lots of mint. I'm just going to be using my whisker. Perfect. And then it's time to put the flour in, but we are going to put the flour gradually. We're not going to put everything together at the same time. I'm just going to start with 1 glass. Now it's time for the second glass of flour. And with this, I'm adding my baking powder. So you add the baking powder when you're adding the second glass of flour. We're just trying to make sure that there are no lumps, that's all. As you can see, it's going to be quite a runny texture. Now we have the last half a glass of flour. We're adding in our cake batter. We're mixing it. And actually, we're going to be done almost. See, it's quite a runny texture. That's what we're looking for. Our cake batter is ready. I'm just going to put it aside for a minute. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare your mold. I am opting for a mold with a hole in the middle because with this type I can make sure that all parts of my cake is well cooked. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just put 1 tablespoon of any type of oil. I just need to cover the mold with the oil, and I'm going to be doing it with a paper towel. Okay. There's actually one more thing that I'm going to be doing. Now we're going to put some flour. Just to make sure that I do it evenly, I'm going to use a little sifter. It's like a little tip, just to make sure that you don't have too much, just enough, but everywhere. So I can do this. Don't worry if it's too much, we're going to get rid of the excess anyway, so. Perfect. Now we just shake it a little bit, make sure that it's covered everywhere. And then I'm just going to get rid of the excess. And what you could do is you can actually put the excess in the cake batter. Don't forget to mix it. Perfect. So we're just going to put the cake batter in our mold. You do it however you feel comfortable with. I turn it from time to time so that I have equal amount everywhere. Our cake batter is ready. I put it in my mold, and I will be putting my cake in my oven, which I had been preheating at 210 degrees for 45 minutes. It has been 45 minutes and I'm about to get our cake out of the oven. Let's see how it is. Have a look, it looks gorgeous. I am very, very happy with how it looks. Look at this, and it smells so good. It smells like bread, it smells like mint. It's really, really amazing. I am looking forward to having a bite of this. It has to cool down before I take the cake out of its mold. So I'm going to let it cool for a while, and then I'm going to come back to you with the final result. I'm so excited. Well, our halloumi cake is ready. Let me show you from close. It looks amazing, it smells amazing, it's really, really wonderful. I'm looking forward to having a bite of this. Today we baked a gorgeous halloumi cake together. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, why don't you press that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that notification button so that you can be notified about my upcoming videos where I will be sharing other delicious recipes with you. I have an Instagram as well, at Cook and Scoop. I hope you bake this lovely halloumi cake, and if you do, perhaps you would like to share your photos on my Instagram, please do. Perhaps you would like to have a look at my other videos. Keep watching my videos for more delicious food. I wish you a wonderful and delicious day. Bye bye.